Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my June Boxycharm. I am so excited. I'm going to try on everything in the box and show you guys a makeup look today. Okay, so if you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription box, and it comes with 4 to 5 full-size products in the beauty categories of makeup, skincare, and beauty tools. It is such an awesome subscription box. I am blown away by how much you get out of Boxycharm. So it is bomb if you're trying to build your makeup collection, or if you're starting out in makeup and you don't have much. It is such an awesome way to get your makeup built up. I will put my link down below that you can use if you would like to sign up. And if you choose to use it, you will help your girl out, and it is up to you if you want to use that code. All right, so let's see what is in the June Boxycharm really quick. I already looked because I needed to see what I got so that I could do a full face try on with it. But I'm gonna show you guys, I have not like unboxed everything. So let's just do that really quick here. Okay, so this is the little Boxycharm box that you will get, and we're just gonna open it up. And it's always super full. Like, do you see that? It's like literally full to the very brim. Sometimes the box is literally like bulging and like not shut all the way. It's super funny. They pack these things full. Okay, so the first thing you'll see in your box is a little card, and this tells you everything on the back, what is in your box for the month, and it tells the price, so you know the value of your box as well, which is bomb. This month's theme is Boxycharm Getaway, which is perfect for summertime. Okay, so I did look at my box like I said, and for this full face try on, I already used one thing because I thought it'd be kind of boring to see me put a face mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. There were 3 masks that came in the box this month, and I used one while I was getting ready before this video. This is the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask, and it smells so good. It smells like just like a sweet, relaxing, fresh scent. I put it on and my face feels moisturized and smooth and ready for makeup. And I'm looking at the card, and these are $24 for 3. So you already surpass the box value that you pay, $21 a month, by just getting 3 of these masks. This is a very nice skincare brand, and it stayed on my face really well while I walked around. I painted my nails and did my hair. So definitely recommend these. Okay, the big item in the box. So this month we got the Tarte High Performance Naturals Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette. It is super cute. Do you see that, guys? Okay, so as you can see, this eyeshadow palette is definitely like a very neutral palette with browns and light pink. So it's definitely just like an everyday palette. I'm excited to get into this with you guys and see what we can do. And it says this palette is a $36 value. Yes, this smells like slightly like vanilla, which is really fun. Okay, and then the next item we got in the box is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil. I don't know, I've never gotten a blush that says it has argan oil in it, so that's kind of cool. And it says on the card that this is worth $12, so definitely like a reasonable price. Okay, and the shade on this is called Desert Rose, which is the perfect description of it because it's just that like pretty like rosy, dusty pink color. Okay, and then the next item in the box is the Touch in Sol No Pore Blem Prime Essence. That's kind of funny. I just wanted to say no problem. So it's actually called No Pore Blem, which is really cute. So this is priming essence, and it has calendula flower extract in it, which is a calming extract for sure. I know that. This is such a cute little tube. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging on this. And the Touch in Sol Prime Essence is worth $23. And the last thing in the box is the Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. Okay, so as you can see, this is a bomb summer lip gloss shade, so we will put this on soon as well. Okay, and for the lip gloss, it is worth $17. So this box value is really good. Like, do you guys see how much you get for $21? It's crazy. Okay, so let's get started on the try on today. I'm so excited to put all this on with you guys. This is going on first because you always want to put on like primers or essences on before your foundation. So I'm gonna just get this on my face. Okay, so I got my little headband on and let's get this essence on our face here. It's like a very watery formula, which is like an essence. And then it has a little bit of stickiness to it, kind of like a primer. So that's like a perfect name for it. Feels really good on the skin. It's very smooth and it doesn't feel like sticky or anything. Yeah, it feels really good. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a minute or two. What are you guys doing for the summer? Are you guys doing anything fun? Leave me a comment down below. This coming week, I'm actually getting ready like right now to go on a little trip with my family. We're going to go stay at a beach house in Maryland and kind of like on the Chesapeake Bay area. I'm looking forward to it. I'm just looking forward to relaxing and hanging out, eating some good food, and just chilling. Not being in the everyday normal routine. I love that, just to get away. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. Okay, so I think the Prime Essence is all set in. If anything, it just has like a light, pleasant smell, and it went into my skin great, and it definitely doesn't make me feel greasy or anything. Okay, so we're just gonna get into this. I'm gonna put on some foundation. Today I'm gonna be using my Maybelline FIT Dewy Plus Smooth foundation. It gives you like a really pretty dewy look. I really enjoy this foundation, and it's only, if I remember right, I think it's only $5.99. So it's like super cost effective. Okay, so I just put some on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna dab this all over my face really quick. Okay, now that I look wild and crazy, I am gonna go in with my Real Technique Orange Miracle Sponge. This is my favorite thing to put makeup on with. More than just a thrill, you're just in it for the thrill. Okay, so I got that worked in. And if you guys wanted to know, I am in the shade 125 Nude Beige in the Maybelline FIT Dewy Plus Smooth foundation. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. Concealer, guys, I cannot tell you how much I love this concealer. If you have not tried it and you're looking for concealer, please try it out. It is the best. And I use this concealer as eyeshadow primer because it's such a full coverage concealer. I just bring it up onto my eyelid and my eyeshadow stays on all day long. And you guys will hear me say that every time, but I just want to like recommend it for an eyeshadow primer as well. And I'm just going to powder my face really quick. I'm using my Pacifica Cherry Matte powder. Ooh, it's getting everywhere, guys. Do you see that cloud? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm gonna go in with my pointed blush slash bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna get this worked into my face. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love. And that is the Note blusher in the shade Desert Rose. That's gonna be, look at that, guys. That was just like a light tap into it. So hopefully this doesn't mess everything up. Here we go. Okay, so it's very pigmented. I'm gonna go in and kind of just like buff that out with a big fluffy brush. So I got the blush on and I think it looks pretty good. I'm not like hugest fan of the color, but I think I can work with it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I use the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Okay, so I got my eyebrows done, and now we can go in with our eyeshadow palette that we got this month, and let's just see what we can do. I'm gonna go in with this light shade for the base color. I'm gonna go in with the pinky shade, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay, so that shade was not super pigmented, so it didn't do much, but I have like a good base shade on my lids. And now I'm gonna do a crease color. So I'm gonna take a shading crease brush and just blend that into my crease. This matte dark shade that's kind of like a purpley brown, and I'm just gonna get like a smaller shader brush for that. I'm kind of just gonna blend that together with my fluffy brush. Okay, so we are gonna go in with one of the shimmer shades, and I think I'm gonna do like the pinky champagne-y shimmer color right here. And I am just gonna go in with my finger. That's how I like to apply most shimmers. And we're just gonna put this on the lid. Okay, so I got that shimmer worked in, and the shimmer in this was actually really nice and smooth. Okay, and also I'm gonna go in with the dark plummy brown shade that we used for the outer V, and I'm gonna use that underneath for like an eyeliner. So I got that on, and we are gonna be done with this little eyeshadow palette for now. We are gonna jump into eyeliner really quick and mascara and finish off the look, and then we'll get to use the lip gloss. I'm gonna go in with my Lights Camera Lashes eyeliner for my winged eyeliner. This one is so great. And now we can go in with the eyelash curler really quick, and then I'm gonna put on my favorite mascara, Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte, and then get the lip gloss on. Okay, so I got my mascara on, and now we get to go in and do the finished look. We're gonna put some of this Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss on in the shade Lemonade. Oh, in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. Oh my gosh. This smells like cake batter. Oh my gosh. Or like vanilla frosting from Betty Crocker. So it doesn't smell like strawberries that I can tell. It just smells like bomb cake batter slash frosting. It is so good. And it's like a really big applicator, so it's a little awkward. Okay, so that is the lip gloss. It is a very pretty like pinky color, and it does definitely give you some nice pigmentation, but you do have to go in a couple times because it doesn't come out, like a lot of it doesn't come out, which is kind of nice because then you're not wasting product if you just want a little bit. So I definitely recommend the lip gloss. It does feel pretty good on the lips. It's a little bit sticky, but not like annoying sticky. Okay, so this is the finished look for the Boxycharm for June. And I think that most of the box was super bomb. The eyeshadow palette was probably my least favorite thing, which is crazy because Tarte is like my favorite makeup brand basically. And I just think that this eyeshadow palette was a little bit less pigmented and like creamy formula that I'm used to with Tarte, but it can be definitely worked with. I don't think that it's not workable. So other than that though, I really enjoyed everything. So this is the finished look. I had fun doing that with you guys. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm this month? Do you do Boxycharm or are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I'd love to have you along for the ride. And you guys have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye guys.